back to another vlog. Girl, it's my birthday today and I'm feeling really good. I'm really excited, and today is just going to be a good day. I have proclaimed it and it will be so. So what we have on the agenda today, this vlog is going to be a little behind the scenes footage of my DIY photo shoot. Right, I'm trying to do a little photo shoot today, so I'm gonna show you guys like a little behind the scenes. Right, 1, 2, I think I'm going to a birthday dinner, so I'm gonna show you guys that part as well. And yes, girl, my hair is blue. It's actually blue and purple, but you can only see the blue. I don't know why. Right, and another thing that we have on the agenda is I'm supposed to be getting a special delivery. I ordered some balloons from Fabulous Events. I'm gonna put their IG along the screen here, so I'm going to be getting those balloons today. But for now, girl, it's my birthday. I love this song. Yeah. I don't even have no clothes. I'm still anxiously awaiting my package. So in the meantime, I'm going to be trying to set up this. This is a backdrop stand. So I've had this backdrop stand for years, and years, girl, maybe 2 years. And one is the first time I pull it, so I don't know if I have everything. And 2, I don't know if I don't know. Oh, you're frightened me. Thought it was a lizard. So we are going to be attempting to put this backdrop stand up together. I have up the stand. It came like this. Put it down here. So the stands are up, and now I guess it's to put on these. I don't know how to put on these. Guys, my battery is dead. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to vlog, but excuse the house. I had to shift around the couch. I had to shift the couch so that I could get space, but this is what my backdrop is looking like. So right now I'm vibing to some music. That's my filming room. But that's a little song, you see me, and I get myself in a little vibe. My hair, guys, you will learn more about this hair in another video. I'm gonna stop making it busy, but right now I'm going to put up the cloth so you guys can see. The cloth is very pretty. And oh yeah, I got my package. This is my package. Isn't it beautiful? It is so pretty, girl. It is beautiful. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. What is this? Are you serious? And I'm going to be doing my shoot with that. So I'm going to put up the cloth to get an idea of what we're working with, and then I still have to do my hair and my makeup. I haven't eaten or anything like that, so yeah, we working in here. Hi you guys. So girl, The look is dramatic, isn't it? It is so dramatic. But anyways, I finished with my makeup and now I am going to do the photo shoot. I might change my lip color. I just think it's too much pink. I mean, pink isn't really me. I might change it to like a nude color, but I mean, it can go on. Anyways, I'll let you know what I decide on doing. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I'm going to be wearing this light color washed out denim ripped jeans and this top, this pink top. Let's put it together so you guys can kind of see. And I'm not sure what shoes I'm going to be wearing as yet. That is a mystery. But anyways, I got some balloons, some confetti balloons, and I'm going to blow this up and put them on my little setup here. So I really thought I would be done by 12. I really wanted to, but it's 1:30. It's 1:30. I just finished my face, just finished my hair. I love my hair, by the way. This is a twist out, not a wash and go. My hair really looks like a wash and go, but it's a twist out. I love it. I did a tutorial on it, so don't forget to check that out. I'm either gonna place it in the cards above or down in the description box, depending on which video comes out first. Yeah, so we will try and get to it now. We're up on the home stretch, so we could try and get to it. Come and get hungry at lunchtime. Hi guys, so I am back from my photo shoot. I think I am finished with the photo shoot. I'm done. Yeah, I think I took enough pictures. I hope that you guys were able to learn something, and hopefully you would be able to do this on your own if this is something that you choose to do. But personally for me, if I were to do this again, I don't think I would ever do this again, because it was just a lot. It was a lot to do my makeup, to do my hair, to do my outfit, to put up the set, to make sure everything in frame, make sure everything I go good, the breeze, and then I don't have a lot of space, so it's like, it's just a lot to deal with. I have to move around too much things, and it's just a lot. So I'm really glad that I was able to do this, but next time around I don't think I'll be doing this myself. It was a good experience. I did save a lot of money, but I think next time I want to be pampered. It is 2:33 and right now I am very hungry. I think I'm gonna leave my makeup on. Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me. My fan is on. It's really hot, but I am ready. I did a quick outfit change into another pink number. So right now I'm just gonna touch up my face. My face held up pretty well, but you know, you need a little touching up. So I'm going to be using this Crown oil control blotting paper. It's my first time using this, so I'm gonna take some of the oil off of my face. So I'm going to just be applying a little bit of powder, just a little bit now. Alright guys, so this is basically what I'm wearing. No, you can't really see it. This is the bag I'm going to be wearing. I got this bag from my mom. No, I got it from one of my aunts. Girl, my full outfit is from one of my aunts. Bag, clothes, except the shoes. I'm going to be wearing some pink and purple Bridgets. So yeah, that's a little clutch. You can't make the things them, my little accoutrements them. Hi guys, so I'm using my phone to do this outro because my camera is, I can't reach my camera right now and I need to do this outro right now. So that was how my birthday went. Today was a good day. I had a really good time. I am pleased with everything that happened, and now I am going to bed. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my gift. So, I'm pleased. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. For this hair, girl, go subscribe for this hair and this makeup, girl. Getting to it. If you want to see how I did it, subscribe for more. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know if you are Scorpio gang too. And give me a thumbs up if you like videos like these from me. Right? As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.